Yes, sit. Okay. Well, good evening, all of you. Yeah. Okay. Do you know me? Right. Okay, fine. Twenty-two. Well, okay, good evening once again. Yeah. So you are the aspirants for civil services, right? Okay, what do you know about CSAT? So this is a session for CSAT, right? CSAT, so UPS exam lo or two papers lo or second paper, okay. Any questions on that? 80 questions, right? Okay, fine. Minimum idea on that, chalu, right? Then, now, so out of 80 questions, right, entire CSAT we are dealing, that is, mainly more sections ఉంటాయి దాంట్లో, that is arithmetic, quantity, aptitude. Second one is that is reasoning, and the third one is English reading comprehension, right? దాంట్లో, so you are connected with Telugu also, కొంచెం, right? Bilingual will go with, right? Okay. If at all anybody that is other language, other mother tongue is there? Nobody is there, no? Right, fine. Okay. Then, so you brought your pen and books, right? Okay, fine. So CSAT, that is Civil Services Aptitude Test, right? That is, so they said that is, A stands for what? Your aptitude. Civil Services Aptitude Test. Actually, this is aptitude test. They are conducting since the ages, but that is there. But it was separated in 2011. That is, so 2011. Since 2011, it was given a separate importance, and it was made a separate paper. In that one, we are getting all the, that is 80 questions. So 80 questions. Total how many marks? It is 200 marks, right? That is okay. What are the marks matter? It doesn't matter first of all. Now in 80 questions, you'll have all the three. That is the aptitude, or we call it as so quantitative aptitude, right? Quantitative aptitude, and reasoning. Then English, right? All are given actually equal weightage. Actually, that is. So 80, that is 1/3 from here, 1/3 here, 1/3 there. Aptitude, and means reasoning. Then 81 English. 81 1/3 are 27, right? Like that. So these two sections given actually equal weightage. Actually, that is 54, and so 80, that is 1/3 from here, 1/3 here, 1/3 there. Aptitude, and means reasoning. This is then 81 English. 81 1/3 are based on the weightage, right? Like that. Right? So these two sections given actually coming to this section, quantitative and that is reasoning. See, our English faculty will deal that is a reading comprehension, right? So he is Midun sir. He will deal the English reading comprehension, okay? And even that one, in that one also, you'll have some logical reasoning will be there. Either myself or he will discuss that one. No problem, that is. But coming to this part, so first of all, are you appearing for civil services this time? Next time? This time, right? So, just appearing or want to qualify? Definitely want to qualify, right? That is, okay. Still, are you writing any other exams? APPSC, TSPSC. So, TSPSC Group 1, Group 2. You're writing that one also. Okay, fine. But the strategy for this one is something different, and there it is something different. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm discussing about only the CSAT strategy, right? So here, this is a qualifying nature. It's just a qualifying nature. Qualifying. Okay, it is not scoring. That is, it doesn't take into that is, they won't take these marks into criteria for selection. Okay, but you have to qualify in that exam. That is only the case here. So, if you see the CSAT papers, right, recently, that is in 2021, 22, 23, that is past 3 years, or just 4 to 5 years, so the pattern has changed a little bit. So they gave more importance to, that is the first one, giving to number systems. Number system. And the second one is the permutations and combinations. Or else we can say that is counting patterns. Counting, that is counting patterns. Or what we say, sometimes we call it as, actually it is a case of, normally we have to say it is permutation and combinations. Right, permutations, combinations. More weightage is given to number system and this one, right? And then it goes to the percentages and ratios. But always in any exam, percentage and ratios will be the main criteria, and these two will have a little bit different perspective. That is, number system is a different way of that one. Even counting pattern, that is permutation combinations. So it is actually, it comes under modern maths. This is modern maths. It is not actually the probability. Probability also comes under modern maths, that is, right? It is not general maths, it is a modern maths, that is. So now come to the case of the strategy, how to follow in CSAT is different, and the rest of the exams is different. Because these are qualifying nature, the others are not qualifying, they are scoring in nature, right? So, here how to plan the strategy, that is, actually in each and every exam, right, whether it is a competitive exam or else whatever the exams, in general a competitive exam, you should have the strategy of, that is, everything, the strategy is based on time management. The main part, the strategy is time management, not the number of marks. Right? Have you heard about the recently APPSC conducted Group 2 exam? Right? Have you gone through this question paper? Right? So, the point is there, first time in the history of APPSC, such type of question paper has come, and people are they got shocked just by seeing that one. Why? Because their expectations is different, their strategies are different, whatever the question paper has come is something different. So, always you have to keep this one in mind, whether the question paper is tough or not, that doesn't matter. But time management is very important. So, what is the time management here? That is, so generally, what is your general strategy of any exam? How many? Suppose it is a 150 questions exam. So, will you attempt all 150? No. Will you cover all 150? Will you read at least all 150 questions in the exam? We'll read, definitely. We'll observe that one. But will you score all the 150? No. But the point is here, there will be some sort of cases where some people say, by the time I came to 100th question, time is over. By the time I came to 120th question, time is over. 30 questions I left. The first strategy is maintaining the time management. The first point is that one that is. So never without reading the question you should come out of the exam hall. You have to read, you have to study all the questions, but you have to judge whether we can do it in first round or second round. So you have to maintain there is a first round, second round and the third round. This is a general for any exam. Time management. Never with a single round you should come out of the exam. People don't know this aspect. So what is this first round, second round, third round? First round means those questions directly which you can get the answer in time, you have to do that one. That is, in time questions will do in the first round, which doesn't take much time. The second one is, you have to, while doing this one, you have to leave some questions. And you have to say that, I can do, but I won't do now. I can do, but I won't do now. That is, those questions to be done in the second round, that is called, we say that this one is time taking, that is. In time, that is a time taking, that is questions. You have to take this in the second round, not in the first round. People don't know about this strategy generally. So you'll stuck up at one question and you will try in that one. After 15 minutes, you won't get. Sometimes you'll get the answer, but the time which is meant for 5 questions is lost by only with single question. So you should not do that one in the first round. Right? The second one is this one, and the third round is, yes, now you can take your own, whatever the well-left questions, whatever the case of well-left questions, that can be done in the third round, that is. Well-left, what are the well-left questions? The question which definitely you should not touch. You should not touch in the exam hall, but if there is any time, you can do. You should not touch. So you have to make some questions, that is, you make your mind in such a way that definitely some questions must be left. So is there any strategy like this, questions to be removed means? So the point is, this entire exam is a competitive exam and it is a time management. In the time management, can we do 150 out of 150, that is 150 minutes, 150 questions means definitely if we spare 10 minutes for one question, suppose 10 minutes means the time of 10 questions you have killed in one question. You have wasted in one question. So definitely it should not be done like that. And this can be done in the second round. So first round will be there, second round will be there, and the third round is a criteria, that is. Generally, first round once you have once you have done first round, this is called qualifying nature. Qualifying nature. The first round, whatever you have done, that is called qualifying nature. Second round, that is called ranking nature. That is, whenever you come across the second round is finished, you will be in the top ranks. And third round, if you have done that one, you will be in the topper position, that is a topper case, that is. Job will be guaranteed in the second round, not in the first round. Job will be guaranteed in the second round, but you won't get directly group 1 or that is a DSP or like that. Once the third round is completed, yes, if you completed that one, definitely either top, that is a Deputy Tahsildars, Group 2 Tahsildars or whatever the case is there, that will be there. This is a way how to prepare in the exam. How to counter the questions in the exam hall, not the preparation, that is, in the exam hall, how to make this one, this is a strategy. Do you know this strategy before? So are there how many rounds? 3 rounds will be there or not? Definitely with 3 rounds. You have to maintain the 3 rounds concept. It doesn't mean that 150 questions again you will write. How can we study 3 means those which are left, and you have to make some. This is some separate strategy, that is. You have to work out that one. Otherwise, these days in this high competitive world, to get a job is not an easy job. Okay, so strategy must be maintained here. So this is a way you have to maintain. Don't think that if the questions are left, we are out of the competition. Don't do that one. Don't think like that. We have to leave the question. See, you know the cricket. the cricket, that is to make century, right? So Virat Kohli definitely he won't punish that is right balls. Whichever the loose balls only, he will take that one. Then he had to wait for the right ball, that is, which is to be punished. If it is a right, that is, if the right ball which comes on the wicket, we have to maintain a deliberate defense. So maintaining the defense, then only you can succeed to clear the 100 runs mark. Okay, this is what the strategy behind any exam. Now, for your CSAT, what is the strategy? Where you have to stop? In this 1, 3, 2, 3, where you have to stop? Just one round. That is, the first round is enough. The first round is enough. That is qualifying nature. Once you go through that one, and that is the first single round is enough for you for CSAT qualifying. That is. So this is not a much big task. Simply you can do that one. Out of 80 questions, how many you have to work out? Out of 80 questions, that is how many? That is just 1/3 you should get. Means 1/3 means what? It is just how much? 30, 33, not even 30. If it is 27 questions, that is it not? So 1/3. So without any negative answering, your qualifying nature is what? 1/3 just. That is 33.5%. That is 1/3. 1/3 of this one is only 27 questions are enough for you to qualify. But what you will do for spare, that is, you will take a plus or minus 5. Maximum, that is 32 questions are enough. That is for entire out of 80 questions. If you attempt 32 questions, maybe 2 or 3, if you lose that one also, that doesn't matter. But if it is pakka, give the answer, that's all. First round means there won't be any wrong things, that is. So whichever is definite, you'll give that one answer. So never you'll go mistake in 32 questions, right? So your strategy to follow is 32 to 35 questions, CSAT is enough. 32 to 35, that's enough. That should be your range of questions you have to attempt. If you are attempting more than that one, maybe it is your extra intelligence or your talent, maybe. But we don't need that much. We need only 35, that's all. So maintain this strategy to get qualified in the exam. Okay? Then coming to now the subject part, right? So just now I said it is number systems and counting patterns, right? But that is purely a subject matter. Whatever we follow, that is number system, we do that one later. Before that one, yeah.
3 rounds అని చెప్పారు కదా, అది డైరెక్ట్ ఏపీఎస్సీలో కానీ యూపీఎస్సీలో కూడా ఫస్ట్ పేపర్కి సెట్ అవుతుంది. దీంట్లో వచ్చిన డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్లో డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చిన డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మొత్తం పారాగ్రాఫ్ అంతా చదవాలి.
డెఫినెట్లీ
మొత్తం చదవాలి. దీంట్లో కూడా రీజనింగ్ లో కానీ, దీంట్లో కానీ, అథమెటిక్స్ లో కానీ డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండవు కదా.
డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండవా?
ఉండవు కదా, అంటే మ్యాథ్స్ పార్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా మరి.
అంటే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అని కాదు. క్వశ్చన్స్ నువ్వు చేయగలిగినవి, నువ్వు చేస్తే ఈజీ అని నువ్వు చెప్పడం లేదు. నువ్వు చూడంగానే ఎస్ ఇది నేను చేశాను మోడల్, నాకు వస్తుంది, ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తాను, అవి మాత్రమే చేయాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, రైట్? ఇండైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కెన్ బి డన్ సమ్ టైమ్స్, కానీ అలా కాదు. క్వశ్చన్స్ మనకు తెలిసినవి మనం చేయొచ్చా అనేది మీరు జడ్జ్ చేసుకునే కెపాసిటీ ఉందంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫస్ట్ రౌండ్. అవి చేయాల్సింది, దట్ ఈస్ స్ట్రాటజీ, అది మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి ఖచ్చితంగా. ఓకే, దెన్ నా ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్. ఇప్పుడు కమింగ్ టు ద దట్ ఈస్ I may deal about the exam, that is, in this one, examiner mind is very important. That is, examiner mind, always if you read the question papers, previous question papers, we can judge the examiner mind, how he is giving, how he is questioning, how he is making us foolish. That is, sometimes he make us in trap. right? So all this comes under only by studying the previous papers. Okay, now how to make that one? Just if we have a knowledge, actually in the exam entire concept of regarding CSAT, that is, we need first of all conceptual clarity. Concept is needed, or conceptual clarity, or what we call subject. Without learning, we can't do, but in that concept also, some clarity must be maintained. That is, just learning the concept is not enough. We should be very clear about the concept, how it is. See, suppose I say 2:3 is equal to 8 is to something. It is how much? How much? 2:3 is equal to something, that is 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 12. It should be 12. It is, we know that one, right? Now give the answer. If it is A is to B is there, if I add A, how much to be added to this one? If I add 2A to this one, how much to be added to this one? 2B that 2A is wrong, okay? It is not 2A, it is 2B, that is. A plus 2A is 3A, B plus 2B is 3B, so that the ratio is again maintained as A is to B. So we should not add. If you add, you have to add the same term. You have to add the same term, but not the different term, that is. Right? So, addition is not there, but multiplication is there in this one. Multiplication is nothing but a group of additions, that's all. This should be clear about this concept. This is normal concept, that is. But there is a clarity about the concept, that is. You should get the concept, be clear about your concepts, right? So you have to judge whether I'm going in the right way or not, right? So this can be, concept clarity must be there in each and every topic in our CSAT, right? This is what the examiner is studying. How? Just observe. I'll pose some questions in the since 2019, I can say 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 5 years. So how he is giving is, just see, this is which month? This is which month? March. March month, today is March 3rd, okay, 2024. Today is which day? Sunday. Which is the same month, the month having a same 3rd, which is on Sunday, is which month? Have you observed have you learned about the calendars? You know, there is generally people learn some shortcut way, month code, that is, you'll find that one, right? But which is that month which is same as that of March? Means March 3rd, Sunday, that month 3rd is also Sunday. That is which month? It is a November month. So it is a November month. We call that is a similar calendar, that means if March 1st starts on March 1st falls on Friday, again, that is, even November 1st falls on Friday. March 1st is Friday, November 1st is also Friday. Though March is having 31 days, November is having 30 days, so they both starts on the same day. So this is a general observation. Once you learn the concept of similar calendars, you will get some clarity. The clarity is March and November will have the same. With this one, continuously they have asked all the questions for each and every year they have asked. So how they have asked? That means similar calendar months. They have asked similar calendar month. They repeated the questions only on that concept only. Whether you know the concept or not, they repeated the question. First take the question which is given in 2020, right? So what is the question they have given, right? You will get the paper also, right? So you take the question, first you can take the question, just see how the questions are dealt here, right? First one, you write the question, take the question. If in a particular year, if In a particular year, 12th January, if in a particular year, 12th January is a Sunday, 12th January is a Sunday, then which one of the following is correct? Is correct. So they gave the first option, first one, A, 15th July is a Sunday. Is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. If the year is a leap year. 15th July is a Sunday if the year is a leap year, they said. Second, 15th July is a Sunday if the year is not a leap year. C, 12th July is a Sunday. Is a Sunday if the year is a leap year. D, 12th July is not a Sunday. Is not a Sunday if the year is a leap year. This is the question that was posed in 2020, that is, right? So, if you learn the basics, if I give a clarity about this one, what is the answer? Okay, I'll give the clarity now. Just see, in leap year, in general, and non-leap year, in general, Jan and October resemble the same. Feb, March, Feb, March and November resemble the same. And April, July resemble the same. And September, December resembles the same. This is for a normal year, Jan and October, February, March, November, April, July, and September, December. But coming to a leap year, you must have drawn some conclusions, right? That is, yeah. Conclusions. Now, for a leap year, right? Shall I write here? For a leap year, the combination differs. Jan, April and July. The first one, that is. Second one, Feb and August resembles the same. Third, whatever is left over, there is March and November always, and fourth, September, December. These are the combinations. General, if you learn regarding the calendars, you must have learned that one. But people won't learn that one only. Calendars is not that directly calculating which is the day. Everybody do that one. Right? But have you learned the concept in the calendar? Have you observed regularly what the months are there? If, suppose, November month calendar is turned off due to some child has చించేసాడు అనుకుందాం, మరి నవంబర్ బదులు ఏదైనా వాడుకోవచ్చా మనము? మరి వేరే కొత్త కొనడానికి లేదు, వాడుకోవచ్చా మనం అంటే మార్చిన ఉంది కదా, మార్చిన వాడుకోవచ్చు. సేమ్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. మార్చ్ అండ్ నవంబర్ విల్ బి ద సేమ్ అనమాట. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ నవంబర్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ మార్చ్ అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ క్లియర్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నారు ఇక్కడ, వాట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ దేర్? సో హియర్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ 12th Jan is a Sunday. So the combination of Jan is combination is given regarding October for a non-leap year. But for a leap year, Jan, April and July will be the same. So here just observe that one. If a particular year 12th Jan is a Sunday, then which one of the following is correct? So definitely for a leap year, see that first option A and C, that is except B, A, C, D, they say there is a leap year. Yes. So definitely 12th Jan, just like that one, even 12th July must be Sunday if the year is a leap year. That is. So once you learn that one, just by seeing that one, we can get the answer. There won't be any calculation on the spot. You do that one just by trying. If you learn this one, that is easy. Conceptual clarity comes here. We learn the similar calendars, but what are those? We have to judge that one. For a leap year, definitely Jan, April and July, they resemble the same. Definitely they are the same day falling, that is. So this is the way you have to.
So February days
One of first, the same day starting I am saying. Same day starting, similar calendar. Now I am not saying same calendar, but similar. They start on the same day. January 1st Monday, April 1st also Monday, July 1st also Monday. That's it. Okay? ఇది ఇప్పుడు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అక్కడ అడిగారు, బాగుంది. దానికి ముందు సంవత్సరంలో 2019 you see that the second, you got the paper? Everybody got the paper? Just see that one. All right. Mr. X has 3 children. The birthday of the first child falls on the 5th Monday of April. That of the second one falls on the 5th Thursday of November. On which day is the birthday of his third child, which falls on 20th December? So just by seeing, right, we can't get the answer directly, but what this says, Mr. X has 3 children. The birthday of the first child falls on the 5th Monday of April. There is a 5th Monday. How many Mondays will be there in any month? Minimum? That is for February. Maximum? 5 or 6? It is only 5. That is. So first of all, we should be clear about this one. Minimum 4 Mondays will be there. Maximum 5 Mondays will be. So what they say is the 5th Monday. Who that person? The birthday of the first child falls on the 5th Monday of April. That of the second one falls on the 5th Thursday of November. So he is something like this question is something like మన పుట్టినరోజులు 5వ గురువారం 3వ గురువారం అలా మాట్లాడుకుంటాం కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆన్ ద డేట్ అనమాట. డేట్తో సంబంధం లేకుండా ఆ రోజుతో సంబంధం, ఆ వారంతో సంబంధంగా మాట్లాడారు. ఆన్ విచ్ డే ఈస్ ద బర్త్డే ఆఫ్ హిజ్ థర్డ్ చైల్డ్ విచ్ ఫాల్స్ ఆన్ 20th December. మరి ఇది ఇచ్చారు. ఇది కూడా ఇఫ్ యు సీ దట్ వన్ అగైన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో రిలేటెడ్ టు ద సేమ్ క్యాలెండర్, రైట్? సో హౌ టు గెట్ దట్ వన్? లిటిల్ బిట్ typical, but it comes on the same calendar, right? I'll let you know about this one just by seeing that one. Have you gone through the calendars? Got an idea of the calendar? How to find the same day? Everybody is having the same. I think you must have got some idea regarding the calendars generally. For any competitive exam, this is must and should. Before coming to the coaching class only, you learn calendar and come. Is it not? So, but here, just see how they are. Here they say the first child was born on 5th Monday. See, 5th Monday is any month, that is in April they are saying. The 5th Monday comes only for 29th or 30th. Because 28 days are over, 4 weeks are over, only the chance for 29th and 30th. Either this month can be Monday or this can be Monday. If I am taking this is Monday, this is the 5th Monday, definitely the second child should be born on which month, which Thursday? 5th Thursday of November. November 5th Thursday. November, how many days will be there? 30 days. Here also 29th and 30. So you must get now the 5th Thursday in any of this one. If it synchronizes here, we can find the third person. Who is the third person? That is the third child, which falls on 20th December. So he is 20th December, December 20th. Now, we don't know about this one. Which Thursday? Then how to find out this one? But the point is, if we do this one, December 20th and November 29th, they are on the same days. November 29 plus, that is 28 days. 20 plus 21, 21 days, that is. So definitely whatever the day falls on this one, this is, once we get the answer for this one, your answer is that one only. No problem, right? Now, we need to find out that is it Thursday or not? Or if this is Thursday, this should be what? This is Thursday, this should be Wednesday. Okay, if this is Thursday, that's directly your answer is Thursday. Right, now come to that one. How to find out that one is Monday to, that is April 29th to November 29th. So how to judge that one? That is just by taking that is odd days from April to November. April, how many odd days are there? April 2, May 3, June 2, July 3, August 3, September 2, October 3. November is, now we are entering November, no need to add November, that is. So because November, we are entering that one, we are going for November 29th, no need to go for that one. Just count this one, how many odd days are there? Just 2, 3, 2, 7, cancel 3, 3, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 7, it is 4. 4 odd days. Monday is 1. So 4 odd days means 1 plus 4. How much? 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 means what? Friday, this one. If this is Friday, this will be Saturday. So never, but we should get on Thursday. That means this is 5th Monday is not on 29th, it should be on 30th. If this is 30th, this will be on Thursday. This will be on Thursday. If this is Thursday, this is on December 20th is also Thursday. At a stretch, you got the answer. Right? So, you can, the video will be there. It will be you can see the video also, right? No need to again explain that one. So, the point is here, if you find these odd days, you got the answer. Kada? Kani, ఒకసారి చూస్తే కొంచెం మీరు కానీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే అసలు ఇది జస్ట్ బై అబ్జర్వేషన్ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఎలా? రైట్, దీన్ని ఇలా కాకుండా ఐ నీడ్ ద డే ఆఫ్ December 20th మంది. December 20th రిసెంబుల్స్ వాట్? November 29th. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చాము. బట్ November 29th ఇది రిసెంబుల్స్ ఏప్రిలా మార్చా? November 29th రిసెంబుల్స్ విచ్ మంత్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ ఇయర్? మార్చ్. అంటే మార్చ్ 29th తెలుసుకోవాలి. అంటే November 29th ఏముందో March 29th అదే ఉండాలి, అంతే కదా? మరి ఇది ఎలా ఉన్నప్పుడు దీని తర్వాత మార్చ్ 3 days యాడ్ చేసుకుంటేనే ఇది రావాలి. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఏమన్నాం? ఫస్ట్ థర్స్డే ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం? థర్స్డే అనుకున్నామా? వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? దిస్ వీ హ్యాడ్ డన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ మండే. ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ మండే, 3 days బ్యాక్ ఈజ్ వాట్? 3 days back, Monday is 1 minus 3 is what? -2. Means this is Friday. If this is Friday, that is Friday. But it should be what? Friday అయితే ఇది Saturday అవుతుంది, కానీ అలా ఉండకూడదు. So definitely your answer is what? So if this is the case, Monday, this will be Friday. If this is Monday, this will be Friday. This should be Thursday. So that's why this is Thursday. Over. Okay, everything came back. That is November and March are same calendar months. Okay, no need to waste our time. Directly we got the answer just based on same or similar calendar months. Understood? So these questions are asked actually in the exam, right? So this much needed means just clarity over the subject is needed. How to interlink the concepts is very important. We will be able to discuss that one also. Same calendars, we can interlink the remainder theorem of your number system. They interlink like that, right? So we'll go with the next question then. Just see. Okay, if you see that fifth one, which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? This is asked actually. Okay, now this won't come under same calendar, but this is a question given in CSAT 2022. You write that one, 2022. And the exam was on, that is June 5th, happened to be Sunday, that day. That day, whichever that is happened to be, that is on Sunday, that is June 5th, that is. So June 5th, already on that day you are there. Which day that is? Sunday. It is Sunday. And examiner want to be more, right? Frankly speaking, we should have some little bit common sense or presence of mind. So that day, June 5th is a Sunday. In which year? 2022. And they are asking 2099 falls on which day? That is in June. That means which one that is? So Sunday, na? Is it Sunday? Yes. So they are saying that is Sunday comes on which day in June month? That is 4th or 5th or 6th or 7th. Just for this one, presence of mind, that is. No, that is just, you have to add how many years? 77 years. So how many leap years are there? Just add that one. So finally you get the answer as, that is 7th is 5, that is D, that is 7th, that is June 7th should be on Sunday, that is. It falls on Sunday. The point here is, there you don't have any reference day. The reference day is the exam day itself. The reference day is nothing but the exam day. Otherwise, what you will do? What you will do? There is so definitely you will choose some day. You will choose some day and you will start. That means we know that one date, that is June. Suppose you will take any June 1st of what 2099 means. To find out that one, we will say 2098 are completed, and in June, that is 2099. We have to count from January 1st to June 1st. This is the normal way what you will follow. If not given on that day, so you have to follow this method, right? But there are some instances where the question is what? Finally, 2000, which year? 2099. 2099. Something fishy this is. 2099 is definitely after this one 2100. This is the last year of the century. 21st century. 21st century last year. 2100. 2101 is the first year of 22nd century. Is it not? This is last year of 21st century, last year. So, actually they designed for this question, but finally they made one good conclusion, that is June 5th automatically you got that one as a reference day. You can find out that day. But little bit, my point is they must have given based on the last day of the centuries also. So what is the last day of 21st century? Last day of 21st century? Last day of 21st century falls on which day? 21st century means 21 divided by 4, that is 5. 5 means what? Friday. 100 that is 5 means what? Friday. So definitely 21st century, that is 2100, last day, December 31st is on Friday. If this is Friday, 2099, December 31st is on which day? 1 day back, that is. 1 day back, that is how much? Thursday. If that is Thursday, if this is Thursday, that is December 31st, January 1st falls on also Thursday. So because any year, first and last falls on the same day for a normal year. From here, January 1st Thursday you got. From here just calculate June, that is you got the answer. January 1st you got, January 1st, 2099 falls on which day? Thursday. If this is Thursday, find January 1st, that is 2099, June. That's all. They gave one small hint, you can come from back also, they gave the hint. So you can do that one also. So the last day of the centuries. If you learn that one also, it is good. If you do that one, how much you will get? January 1st to January 1st, that is January 1st, June 1st. January to June, so Thursday it is 4. So from here, Jan 3 days, Feb 0, March 3, April 2, May 3, June no need. So 4 plus 3 cancel, 3 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, that is 8, 1, that is Monday, that is. January 1st is on Monday. June 1st is on Monday. If June 1st is on Monday, in that what we need here is Sunday we need. Sunday means to get Sunday, we have to add 6 days. So add 6 days and say, how much that is? It is June 7th. So your answer is what? D option, that is D, that is 7th. Right? So once you learn, if you have the clarity about same calendar months and starting day and last day of year and centuries, you will get the answers easily. So they are posing on the same thing. They are not asking about which day it is directly. So is there any use of learning codes? No. There is no use of codes here. Month codes, some people learn month codes, so many are there, right? So that is not useless, that is. Here just we should have learned two concepts. That is, one is similar calendar months. The other one is first day and last day of a year and first day and last day of a century. That's all. Only three concepts are there. You should be clear about this one. Perfectly, you have to practice that one in calendars. Okay, then. Now, this is what generally in the CSAT they say the conceptual clarity. The first discussion what we have done is the conceptual clarity. Now, the second part, what you have to keep in mind is the interlinkage, that is interlinking the concepts. Concepts are interlinked. How? Interlink of concepts. First one is conceptual clarity. Second one is interlinkage of the concepts. How? See that the third question there. You see the third question. A student appeared in 6 papers. The maximum marks are the same for each paper. His marks in these papers are in the proportion of 5:6:7:8:9:10. Overall, he scored 60%. In how many number of papers did he score less than 60% of the maximum marks? This is the question. You see this one, in this question, percentages are given, right? But the percentage in terms of average that is given. Average means overall he scored 60% means nothing but average. Average percentage of marks means that is 60%, right? Now, in this one, if you see that one, here averages and percentages are interlinked, that is. So you should have clarity about the percentages and also averages, then they both are mixed in this one. So linking of both the concepts, that is interlink of concepts, is average is linked with percentages here. Okay, but even ratio is also there. Ratio is also there, is it not? Okay, now generally what people say is, just see, if you observe any of the YouTube answers, if you try with the YouTube one, they say it is 5:6:7:8:9:10. They say that is the maximum marks considered as 100 and they'll start. There is total, there is each paper is 100 marks, think that is 100 marks, total marks is into 6 papers, that is 600. And he got how much percentage? 60%, overall 60%. So the average percentage he got is 60%. Out of what? Out of 600. So that means his score is 360 marks. 360 marks in average concept. If you assume the maximum marks of each paper as 100. But how much he got means 5 is to 6 is to 7 is to 8 is to 9 is to 10. I can write this one as 5x, 6x, 7x, right? 8x, 9x and 10x. If you add all of them, it should be equal to total how many marks? 360 marks. Once you get that one, so then you can find out 5x, 6x, 7x, how much. And here, what is the average marks means? How much is the average mark? How much is the average mark that is? How much 360 by 60 means that is 60 marks is the average, right? So if you see that 60, so this, what you will get here? What you will get here? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much? 11, 18, 26, 35 and 45. 45x is equal to 360 marks. X is equal to 360 by 45, which is nothing but 9 40s, 9 5s, what is 8. So each x, that is x is nothing but 8. So if x is 8, what is the marks? This one 5x, 40, 48, next 56, next 64, 72, 80 that is. But average marks is what? Average is what? 60 marks. 60 marks. In how many papers he got less than 60? Just observe, 40, 48, 56. So how many papers? 3 papers. People used to give the explanation India-wide, it's the same thing. But only certain people give. Once the background of the average and percentage, if you learn, no need to worry about that one. Simply just by seeing you should get the answer. Why they gave 5 is to 6 is to 7 is to 8 is to 9 is to 10? In a serial manner. This is CSAT, not mathematics. You have to think in a different way. This is mathematics, what you have done this one. That is not the mathematics, that is aptitude, what we call. Just by see that one, what is that? What is the average of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? If you know the average, what is the average of 5 and 7? 5 plus 7 by 2. How much? 12 by 2, that is 6, middle one. Average of any, that is suppose 5, 6, 7 is nothing but, these 3 is nothing but 6. If it is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 7 is average. Since these 6 terms are there, the average is the middle, average of the middle 2, that is 7 plus 8 by 2. How much? 7.5. Or else you can say, since the common difference is 1, 1, 1 there, that is first and last divided by 2 also is same average. 5 plus 10 by 2, how much? 5 plus 10 by 2, 15 by 2, how much? That is also 7 by 2. This is the concept behind the average. When they are in a common difference is there, so first and last divided by 2 or middle 2 terms divided by 2, you will get the average, that is. So your answer is 7.5. 7.5 in the average reflects your 60% marks. How many marks we don't know, but the average, this average, overall percentage nothing but average, both are one and the same. So if this 7.5 reflects 60%, which is less than 60% then, which is less than 7.5? What are the less than 7.5? 5, 6, 7, that's all over. Just by seeing this question came 2 times in the CSAT. 2 times they have given, right? But almost everybody think that they do like this. If you see online any explanations, just they'll do like that. Never. This is an aptitude. Why they have given then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Now you will get some idea. Okay, if not, why not? We can say, even then also, we can say that one average is nothing but, we'll take the total difference there is by 2, we take the average of this one and we can confirm whichever is less. So whatever 60% says, it may be 60% or 70%, who knows? We are not bothered about that one. So the marks may be tilted this way or that way. 0, from 0 to 100, 0 to 100, suppose if he gets 60, 90% marks. That is 90%. Average is 90% means what? All these marks shifted to that end. That's all. That is the point there. But the 7.5 reflects 90% definitely. The less than 90% is what? Always this one. Clear about why only 60%? Why can't 90%? It can be. We don't know that one. But in ratio, if the average is this one, percentage wise, that is the average what this says. So we have to interlink both those. So nobody dares to analyze this one. Nobody dares to analyze this one. If the marks are less, maybe failed, we don't know. Then what to do? So what? If he is failed, how can he get 60% then? If you say 30%, yes, okay, 30%, same marks, all less marks. All these marks are shifted to the zero side, that is. But sequentially, difference is same. So nothing matters. Any of the case, average is same with the percentage. We can say whatever you got the percentage in your 10th class, that is nothing but overall percentage, nothing but average percentage. The word overall percentage is nothing but average percentage. You make a note of that. That is here given. What is that one? Overall percentage. Overall percentage means average percentage of all the subjects together, that is. Overall percentage means average percentage in all the subjects together. Now, even that average should be equal to this average, that's all. Okay, nothing. The pure mathematics fellow will go like that, right? Never, don't do that one. That is, this is an aptitude. You should not, just by observing, you should get the answers. That's all. That is, right? This is the way you have to prepare. Interlinkage of concept. Which concept is interlinked here? Average with a percentage, right? That is, and come to now. Another interlinkage of the concept is the sixth one. Sixth one, a very good idea the examiner has done. With this one, even I got a full josh. Even I can frame now different questions on the same style, right? What is this one? See this one. If today is Sunday, this is 2023 question. చేసావా అప్పుడు చేసావా రాలేదు ఏం చేసావు దానికి ఏమంటున్నారు ఇక్కడ సిక్స్త్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇఫ్ టుడే ఈజ్ సండే దెన్ విచ్ డే ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆన్ 10 power 10th day. Actually there are three concepts involved in this one. One is vocabulary, second one reminders theorem, reminders, and the third one calendars. First one is the calendar. Just by seeing we can say 10 power 10th day is nothing but that is suppose the question given no power is there, what to do? First remove that power first of all. Anybody, even online. Yeah. Have you got an idea about the calendars? No. Little bit idea. If suppose the question is today is Sunday. Yeah, obviously today is Sunday only. Today is Sunday. What is this one? Which day is it exactly on 10th day? 10th day from where? From today. So, what is the answer? Perfectly wrong. Okay. Now again, today is Sunday, which will be exactly on, not exactly after 10 days. Both are same, no? This is on, exactly on this here. Exactly on, exactly after. Saturday. No, the point is, see, without using your brain, you have to give the answer. That is a code. The basic model of any finding the answer is code plus or minus odd days. What is the code given Sunday? Sunday code is what? 0. You are going future plus odd days. How many odd days are there here? 10 by 7. There is a remainder. Remaining days, 3 days. So 0 plus 3 is what? 3. That is Wednesday. Whatever you said previous answer, actually that question is this one. You said Wednesday, no?
Yes.
For previous question, your question is this one. After 10 days means you have to say that one. But is 10th day, exactly on 10th day is what?
Including this day also.
There is, after 10 days means, after 10 days is different, that is exactly on 10th day. 10th day is after 9 days, not 10 days. 10th day is what? Comes after 9 days. So, after 10th day, 10 days means 10th here, after 10 days means it should be 11th one, that is. So we are not bothering about that one. Now we need this one answer. What is that one? Should we add 9 days or that is 10th day means how many days? 9 days. So that is answer is 0 plus 9 by 7. So answer is 2. 0 plus 2 is what? 2, that is Tuesday. No, not for that question. We made the question 10 power, actually 10 power 10. Only for 10 we have done now. This is a general case of calendar question. Now come to that one, 10 power 10th day. So understood now? So 1 day less we have to give, that is, right? Okay now. So your point is 0, today is 0 plus, that is 10th day, 10 power 10th day, whatever the day comes odd days, that is minus 1 you have to say. Minus 1. 1 day less, no? On means you have to get less 1 day less. After means exactly you can do that. Okay, now this is your answer. Point is 0, 10 power 10 by 7 minus 1 is your answer. What to do this one? 10 power 10, that is remainder with 7, right? So people have different style of giving the answer for this one. Now we came to, we shifted our that is concept from calendars to remainder number system. We need to 10 power 10 by 7. How to do this one? People have done, right? They said that is here. Do you have any? Have you tried this one before? 10 power 10 divided by 7, remainder? No, not it. Okay. See, here, I can write this one as 10 as 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 10 power 10 can be written as, that is, it is 10 power 2, that is into 5, that is into 2 into 5, that is 10 power 2 whole power 5 divided by 7. Right. So what is 100 divided by 7? 100. This is 10 square is what? 100. 100 power 5 divided by 7. First of all, 100 divided by 7 is how much? If you see that 100 divided by 7, how much is the remainder? We are concentrating on remainders, right? 30, 7 4s, 28. How much? 2. 2 is the remainder for this fraction means your remainder is 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? What is 2 power 5? 32. 32 again divided by 7. 32 divided by 7. 7 4s, 28. 4. Finally got 4. Understood? This is what a remainder concept we do that one. Now your answer is for entire this one. What is our answer? 4. Okay, so 0. What is your answer? 0 plus 4 minus 1. 0 plus 4 is minus 1 is what? Plus 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 3 means what? Wednesday. Is there any Wednesday there? Yes, first option. If you observe this one in the online, so many people gave the answer as Thursday. So many people gave the answer as Thursday, but it is not Thursday, it is Wednesday only. Okay. This concept is whatever we have done here is a remainder theorem, remainder concept. That is calendar concept. Both are interlinked. They link both the concepts. So your questions are like this. Now my point is, here you have done 10 square, that's fine. If they give 10 power 100, what you will do then? 10 power 100th day. Then what you will do? My point is 10 power 1000th day. We got the concepts now. We are going into the deep now, right? That is how can you do? This is only for our convenience they will do. But now, for any of the questions of this type, right? Shall I give one point? Right? You have to be very cautious about this one. In the remainder concepts, whenever a fraction of the type a by b, this is whole power, that is a power n by b, right? If a, b are co-primes to each other, co-primes, and b is the prime number, b is the prime number, the cyclicity of, cyclicity we will call, that is cyclicity of b is b minus 1. Suppose your this prime number is 7. The cyclicity means the repeating comes cyclicity, that is repetition comes for every how many times means how many powers means 7 minus 1, that is 6. I'll explain this one in the regular classes, okay. Cyclicity or what we call totient, that is called totient. Totient is a concept there. So totient concept is there. So totient is nothing but cyclicity. You write, that is, nobody is know about this. Definitely next time the aptitude, that is examiner, by seeing all the videos they'll observe all the videos, whoever is teaching, top faculties, everybody, they'll observe that one, then they'll go with the totient. Next time they'll say 10 power 100th. If that is the case, what to do? So if you learn this one, this directly can get the answer. The totient of 7 is 6. కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్కి ఒకటి తక్కువ ఉంటుంది అనమాట టోషెంట్ అనేది, రైట్? అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అని అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి 10 పవర్ 10 కదా, 10 పవర్ 10 అన్నారు కదా, 10 పవర్ 10 దిస్ పవర్ని 6తో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. టోషెంట్ ఇస్ 6, దెన్ డివైడ్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు రిమైండర్ ఎంత? 10 by 6, రిమైండర్ ఇస్ వాట్? 4. సో యువర్ పవర్ ఈజ్ 10 power 4 by 7. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, 10 power 4 is nothing but how many zeros? 4 zeros by 7. That's enough. ఇప్పుడు 7 ones 30, 7 4s 28, అంతేనా? 7 1 7 30, 7 4s 28, 20, 7 2s are 14, 60, 7 7s are 7 8s 56. Remainder how much? 4. That's all. So this one you can say this one as a 10 square and again you do that one, no problem. But point is, finally you got 4 or not? Yes. Even if the question is 10 power 100, now prepare for this one. If you got 4, directly got the answer as 3, that's all, enough. This question is over. But I am saying in the future how the question will be framed. If this is 10 power 100, then what to do? You say no. 10 power 100, how it can be changed? This can be changed as 100 divided by, what is the totient? 6. So what is the remainder now? 100 by 6 means, so 6 1 is 6, 40, 6 6 is 30, again 4 you got. Yes, 10 power, this is nothing but 10 power 4 by that 7. This is the concept of totient, that is cyclicity. Nobody discuss about this one, right? But in group 1 APPSC 2018, they have given that one. They have given that one, right? So that they have again directly find the remainder of 2 power 89 by 89. 2 power 89, one question is there. 2 power 89 by 89, what is the remainder there? But 89 is a prime number or a normal, that is composite number? 89. 89 is a prime number. 87 is a composite number. 29 threes, how much? 29 threes. 29 threes, 87. 87 is not a prime, but 89 is a prime. For prime number, one less. I said that is a cyclicity is one less. 89 minus 1, 88. 88. So directly 89 by 88. How much? Remainder how much? 1. So 2 by 89 is directly your remainder is 2. This was asked in ABPS, that is. But nobody knows what is torsion. Have you heard about this one? No. Nobody discuss about this one. People discuss one BSc mathematics. But I am not BSc mathematics. Frankly speaking. Okay, that's it. Clear? Right? We do these concepts. So remainder theorem and calendars both are interlinked. These type of questions they are now asking. So you should be prepared for that one. Conceptual clarity must be there. And interlinkage of the concepts, how to use that one. So you have to be cautious about that. Once you got these two, everything will be perfect in CSAT. Okay, then come to just another, let us see. See. Do you know these percentages? Percentages. I think we practiced well, I think. No, everybody know about the percentages. But just see that fourth question. Fourth one. It was given CSAT 2020. Just read the question. A shop owner offers the following discount options on an article to a customer. How? Successive discounts of 10% and 20% and then pay a service tax of 10%. 2. Successive discounts of 20% and 10% and then pay a service tax of 10%. 3. Pay a service tax of 10% first, then successive discounts of 20% and 10%. Which one of the following is correct? A. One only is the best option for the customer. For the customer, which is the best option? Even I can say the designing of the question is a little bit worrying there, right? That some logic is missed because service tax will first you pay service tax, then giving discount, right? Though it is not true, but it doesn't matter actually. Okay. Point is here, your options are A, 1 only, 2 only, 3 only, and D. All the options are equally good for the customer. Which is perfect wrong answer? Which is a perfect wrong answer? But that is a perfect right answer. It seems it is a perfect wrong answer is D, no? Right? But that is a perfect right answer. Nobody knows about this one. How? Problem is here, the point is, the third point what you have to learn is, first point is what? First point what you learn today? Conceptual clarity. Second one, interlinkage of the concepts you have to learn. Third one, shortfalls of the shortcuts, that is. Second, that is interlinkage. Shortfalls of the shortcuts. If you learn the shortcut, you give perfect wrong answer. Right? That is. This is another problem, that is. Okay, how it is. Okay. Just, you know the percentages now? Everybody know the percentages. I'll give one question, just to try how you will do, let us see. Then we'll go with this one, right? Alright. The value of a book You write the question. The value of a book is 200 rupees. The value of a book is 200 rupees. Right. Its value increased by 20%. Increased by 20%. And later on decreased by 10%. Later on decreased by 10%. 10. Later on decreased by 10%. What is its value finally? What is its value finally? Two 216. How you got? Now the problem is, perfectly you got the answer. How you got? That is the main thing. First you increase the value. First what you have done, you have added 10% to this one, 20%. 20% is how much? 240, 40 rupees increased, so it became 240. Later on it decreased by 10%. That is 10% of 240 is what? 24. You decrease that one, 240 minus 24 is 216. Everybody understood. But this is the starting point of losing the concepts. You understood well, but you have lost the concept. Now, give me an answer for this one, everyone. Suppose, if this quantity 200, initially if it is decreased by 10%, later on increased by 20%, will it be the same 216?
No.
Will it be the same 216? There is a problem with you. That is a problem with the shortcuts. It will be the same. It will be the same. We don't know about this one. Problem of shortcut is this one. 10% removed. How much? That is 20 is removed. 200 minus 20, 180. 180 plus 20%. What is 20% of 180? 36. Add 180 plus 36, 216. If we don't know this one, how can we crack CSAT? That is conceptual clarity, and the shortfall of the shortcuts is this one. People used to do this one, but definitely the same question, it was in 2020. I am reiterating the same thing, the same concept since 2014. That is wrong. Shortcuts are conceptually errors. They won't go. They won't. It is opposite to our concept. That is, what do you say? Since 2014, I am discussing the same point in my previous classes or my previous students. If you see that one, always I used to not. I will discourage this method. You people always try to do this one because in YouTube they say like that, or somebody must have tried like that. But never. We should do this one with a fraction only. 200, 20% increase means how much? 120 by 100. 10% decrease means how much? 90 by 100. Over. Whatever it comes, that doesn't matter. But this is the way you have to do. Now, the point is, what I ask now, that is just if 20% is this side and 10% is this side, will the multiplication changes here? 90 by 100 this side, 120 by 100 that side. Will it changes? No. For this simple thing, we made a complicated thing. The same question, now the case is, now just see the question. Now just see the question. Shop owner, what he is doing? Successive discounts of 10%, 20%, and then paying a service tax of 10%. What do you mean by that one now? Just you should not do all these things. Now, whatever the value of the MRP is there, put it as X. First he is giving a discount of 10%. 10% discount, later on 20% discount. After paying a tax means what? Tax means adding, that is 10%. Okay, 10% discount is what? 90 by 100. 20% discount, 80 by 100. 10% added, 110 by 100. This is the way he is doing the calculation. Second one, initial 20%, later on 10%, and then adding tax of 10%. Will it change us? No. No, just by seeing you are saying no. And the third one, paying a service tax of 10% first, initial 10%, later on 20% discount, then this 10%. Are all the three one and the same or not? This is what CSAT is. Okay. My point is, those shortcuts are little bit interesting and heart touching, but never you should go with that one. You should have some idea, that's all. But concept should not be missed. Concept is this one. Okay. So even in percentages, I think we have done the same thing. I didn't give actually this question. Once you prepare that one, some people still now they will go with 100 method and adding 10%, reviewing 10%. Compounding is nothing but this is the case. Compound interest, everything is this one. Compounding. Compounding means multiplication. That's all. Understood? So the third one, what you have learned now, shortfalls of the shortcuts. That is, when you learn the shortcut, the problem is concept is gone. It is not the actual shortcut, that is, okay? Then come to, I think, so here, in general, some questions will be there in CSAT which you should not touch. You have to leave some questions, no? Right? So, the questions which not to be touched, if you see that one, 6th, 7th, 8th, in that one, the 6th one we can try, minimum side, we can try. But 7th one, 40 children are standing in a circle and one of them, say child 1 has a ring, the ring is passed clockwise, child 1 passes on to child 2, child 2 passes on to child 4, child 4 passes on to child 7 and so on. After how many such changes, including child 1, will the ring be in the hands of child 1 again? They are in the round circle, 40, all the children are from the first 40 circle, and after how many rounds she get that child? What is it? How many rounds they are saying, you see, how many changes? Such changes means A, 14, B, 15, C, 16. Just by seeing the one, we can say, okay, 1, 4, 7, go on, go on, go on. That is minimum 14 times you have to do that one. Will you do that one in the exam hall? Examiner is giving a hint, don't do that one, he is giving hint. It is a time-based concept, that is, examiner is saying indirectly, you should not do that one, that is. You can maintain that one, you can do that one, and you can see that on YouTube, so everybody has done the answer. First of all, what you have to say is, for CSAT, you should not do in the exam hall. You will get the answer, no problem. Time is gone. If you attempt that one, you are out of the competition. You have to think which question to be attempted, which not to be attempted. So, well left question is the 7th one. So, you take that one, well left, that is, which to be left also I am giving the questions. Never do that one in the exam hall. It won't change your qualifying this one. Okay, definitely if it attempt that one, that's gone. That's gone. For CSAT, you should not attempt that one. Not even for your regular exams also, that is a third round. Only in third round you have to do that one. Not even second round. Not even second round. Right? So, you have to aptitude, that is, you have to develop this type of aptitude. Okay? So, which to be left is, that is, similar 8th question, see that one. 8th one also. What is the middle term of the sequence? Just by seeing we have done BTech and we have done SSC, CGL, everything. Middle term is okay, no problem. Something like you will try because of arithmetic progression, but just see that one. It is the series is sequence is ZZ, ZZ, YY. There is YYY, X 4 times, W 5 times, so on. That means A has come how many times? A has come how many times? 26. No, that is Z has come 2 times, Y 3 times, X 4 times, W 5 times. So 27 or 26? 27, right? That is 27 times A has come. These many terms are there. That means almost 2 plus 27, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. If you do that one, that is n is how much? Here say there is one extra is there. Another, so we'll remove that one. N into means 27 into 27, 28 by 2 minus 1. If you do that one, middle term, so never try these type of questions. Never try these type of questions. Okay, don't think you didn't learn. We should not learn. You should not try in the exam hall. Later on, if you have one full day time from morning, you can start that. You can start this question in the morning, early morning, 7 o'clock. You will get an answer definitely afternoon. Huh? That's it, right? So never do that one. It is not the lack of knowledge, it is a lack of common sense, that is. So you should not try that one in the exam hall, that is. These type of questions, right? Coming to 6th one. 6th one also, okay, 8th one, what is the answer? Do you want the answer for 8th one? Okay, you try that, the answer is B, but if you click that question and just, if you click that question, Google Lens, click the question, just put that in Google, a person will come giving that answer. So many persons will come in YouTube, everybody. Okay, just see and enjoy, that's all. See and enjoy, but never attempt the question in the exam. Okay. Come to the 6th one. Which number amongst 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18, 8 power and 8 power 12 is the smallest? The intention of this question is a very good framing of the question. Actually, that question in general, the question will be framed like this. Actual framing, that is 2 power 250, 3 power 300, 4 power that is 350, like that. 5 power sounds like. The framing of the question will be like this. But point is here, they have taken powers of 2, 3, 4 and 8. Right? So, which is the smallest they are saying? That is another good question. So, just see 2 power 40, 3 power 21, 4 power 18 and 8 power 12. We can equal the bases. Just see, base are different, seems 2, 3, 4, 8, but we can make this base as 2 and this is also 2, because 4 is which square? 2 square. So I can change this one as a 2 square, 4 power 18 as, that is 2 square whole to the power of 18. So how much it is? 18 to 36, that is. So instead of this one, I can write 2 power 36. And this is 2 power 40 as it is. Let us say, this is 3 power 21, okay. That one, 8 power 12 is, so 2 cube this one, is not? So 2 cube whole to the power of 12, how much it is? 2 power 36. Okay, 8 to the power of 12 is also 2 power 36. Now judge, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? No. The question is, which is the small? They are not saying ascending order, descending order. Why?
21 is smaller than another.
Just see the options now. Just see the options. What they have given? Did they give none of these? No. They said that is A, 2 power 40, B, 3 power 21, C, 4 power 18, D, 8 power 12. Intentionally they have given and we have to get one answer. Definitely one answer is there. So definitely since these two are equal, they cannot be the answer. 4 power 18 and 8 power 12, this cannot be the answer. Now in this one, see this 2 power 40 is greater than this one. How can it be the smallest? This is greater than that one, so you have to remove this one also. So which is a leftover? That's all. Though you don't know whether it is more than that one or less than, we don't know. Since we have eliminated these three, because biggest three, it should be small. These two cannot be the answers, first of all. This is greater than that one. It cannot be the answer. So it must be the answer. Elimination method. See how they design the question. Okay. So very good question. So this is what the general intelligence or common sense that is. Understood point? In this way. Clear? Understood? Down. Coming to the 9th. So you can start mark this question, just right, observe the question and you see this one in the YouTubes how they say, right, but ours is something different. Just see. 9th one. What is the sum of all 4-digit numbers less than 2000 formed by the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4 where none of the digits is repeated? So it is something based on counting procedures, counting concept, right? But little bit number system, little bit counting, little bit smartness, everything will be there here. Just what is that question there? Again, just see. What is the sum of? So we need to find out sum of all 4-digit numbers less than 2000. Means what is the 4-digit number less than 2000 generally? Less than 2000 means all the, there is generally from 1000, no? 1000. This is before 3-digit number, 999. So 1002, that is, the range is to just less than 2000, that is. But what they say, that is less than 2000 formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to make use of only 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, our effort has become less. Now there is no use of 9 digits, only 4 digits we have to use, where none of the digits is repeated. So no digit must be repeated once again, that is. So how many digit number this one? 4 digit. So 4 digit makes space of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be definitely 4-digit number means what should be the thousands place? Always 1 should be there. 2 can become here? No, because not 2000. Less than 2000 means only 1 must be there here. Okay, 1, I keep 1 here. Rest of them we can use. Once it should not be used once again. So 1 is, there is no chance, and over. So we can use 2, 3, 4. We can interchange. Okay. So let us start our. This is 1. Okay, that is first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll keep to the as it is and say 4, 3 interchange. 1, 2, 4, 3. These are just like arrangements. Okay. With starting with 2. Again next starting with. Not 1. No. This one is always 1 will be there. No problem. But the second digit must be what? 3. With 3 you will have another. With 4 also. So totally how many combinations? That is 6 numbers will be there. 6 numbers if we add that one. So 1, 3. I'll say 1, 3, 2, 4. 4, 2. Next 1, 4. Yeah. 1, 4. 2, 3. 1, 4. 3, 2. Add all the sum of the numbers, add and enjoy that. Add and enjoy means, will you add like that? No. Again, we have to stop there. If he says we should not do like that. What is that one? All the repeated digits are there. What is the total sum of these digits? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 10. 10 into how much set? 6. 10 into 6 means total again 60. Total 6. Search for those options where total 6 is there. A. First one A. 7998. Yes, 9 cancel. Total 6. This is the answer. B. 8028. Total 9. No. C. 8878. 3 given. There is 3. Wrong. D. 9238. 1 is given. Total 4. This is also wrong. Sum of the digits, if you have that one, you will get the answer directly. People used to say adding all these things. No. You know the sum of the digits concept? You know that one, no? That is sum of the digits. How to add? See, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 8, 33. 3 plus 3, 6. But we should not do that one like that. Wherever 9 comes, remove that one and say. 9 remove, 7 give 1 to this one and remove this one, that is 6 is there. See, 8028. Give 1 to this one, give 1 to this one. So your answer is 9 only. Here 888. They are short of 1113. Remove this one and say that your answer 4. No, this is 4. Like that. So some of this we can use while getting the fast answers. That is the best one to do. Okay? Otherwise you have to add all of them and say. Clear? Now, is the 9th one. Coming to the 11th one, instead of 10, how you said? You tried, You tried all the numbers. Just see 11th one, everyone. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. What is the sum of the digits of the resulting number? Sum of the digits of the resulting number. You have to add the resulting total digits. You have to say sum of the digits. I have made the sum of the digits to make it unitary, single, but we should not do that one. You have to add the sum of the digits until you get the score. That score. Just see how it is. Here, what is that one? Each digit of a 9-digit number. Each digit of a 9-digit number is 1. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it 9? 5, 4. Yeah. Each number of a 9-digit number is 1. It is multiplied by itself. So again, this is multiplied by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the resultant, whatever you got, if you get that something like, so then you have to add all this. Right, that is definitely last we will get one something like, okay, A, B, C, D, so and so. So you have to add all the digits and say, that is. But the point is, actually the concept of this question is, suppose 2-digit number 11 into 11. What is the answer? 121. 111 into 111. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. This is palindrome. Right? So in this way, 1111 into 1111. That is 111 square. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. In this way, that means how many numbers are there? That many times one increases and then decreases. Palindrome this is. Okay, so your question is, your answer is what? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the answer. Now you have to add all of them and say the answer. But we should not do that one. intelligently how to get the answer. What is the sum of the digits here? 9. Any number multiplied with 9, the sum answer must be total is how much? 9 only. The bottom, see that one, 64. Total 1. Option A, 64. 64. Total is what? 1. Wrong. B, 80. Total 8. Wrong. C, 81. Total 9. D, 100. Total 1. Wrong. So your answer is that is. In this way, just understand the question and come out of that trick and get that one with the sum of the digits, get the answers. This way you have to go do. Understood? So number system is quite simple, but so many varieties will be there. Question, based on the question, you have to think and get the answers, that's all, right? So it's just like playing with the numbers. Understand the question and just, right? This is actually 8th class question. That 11th one is 8th class question, that is, right? But now come to the last, the 10th question. 10th one. What is the number of selections of consecutive things out of 12 things in a circle taken in the clockwise direction? Right? What is the number of selections of 10 consecutive things out of 12 things in a circle taken in the clockwise direction? Right? The point is here, he is making you little bit, right, making you, selections means what? Permutations and combinations, you know. Permutations and combinations, you know. Is it not? Okay, you will learn the permutation combinations. So permutation, arrangement, permutation in one word it is called arrangements. Combinations means nothing but selections. So what it means that here, let's say that these selections means definitely our mind thinks regarding that one, that is selection, but it is not selection. So you think that it is a combination and do just out of 10 things, consecutive things, taking 12 things at a time means 12C10, out of 12 taking 10, 12C10, that means 12C2 means 12 into 11 by 2 into 1 cancels, 11 6 are 66. Ready, your answer is ready, just see that one, 66 is ready. You think that you are very perfect. But question is not regarding selections. When to use selections, when to use combinations, when to use a formula is necessary. This is what maximum side in my class I used to give when to use, right? Unnecessarily you should not use the combinations formulas. Minimum side you have to use the logical way of giving the answer. First of all, what is this one? Here, total out of 12 things are there. We have to take 10 consecutive things in one way only, that is. So, clockwise, I need to take clockwise, make it clock only, that is. 12 no, that is, make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's all. These 12 things are there. Out of 12 things, we need 10 things. 10 things means definitely, if you start from 1, you take 10. Clockwise only. This is one case. So if you take 1 to 10 is one case of selection. Or else you can take 2 to 11. From 2 11 clockwise only, no anti-clockwise. Next 3 to 12, 4 to 1, 5 to 2, like this. How many are there? From starting from 1, again from up to 12 also you'll get, is it not 12? 12 to 12 to 3. If it is 3 to 12, 12 to 9. 12 to 9, that's it. So whatever the case is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that means total how many such selections will be there? 12. It is a practical thing. Nothing there in that one. If it is clockwise, this one. Anti-clockwise, another 12. If they won't say in which direction means both directions you have to take. But if they said only clockwise. So there is no chance of doing that one in the combination. They gave perfect answer, wrong answers. 66 means definitely it is a case, right? So never we should do that one. These are the cases. Understood now? Right? So learning and application, where to apply is very important. Where to apply, where not. Right? So this is what entire CSAT, right? What we are doing. So, understood? Right. Okay. We'll start the classes actually. They said about 7th, no? 7th అని చెప్పారు కదా, కానీ 7th కాదు, అది కొంచెం పండగ కూడా ఉంది కదా మధ్యలో, అందుకని 11th నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం మనం. 11th from 11th we can start the CSAT classes, ఓకే? అంటే అవి సపరేట్గా అవి ఈవినింగ్ 5 to 8 ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట, రైట్? సో మనం రెగ్యులర్గా మనం చేసేది కూడా రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసెస్లో కూడా రెగ్యులర్ వీ విల్ గో విత్ ఇట్ వన్, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ యూ గో విత్ 5 to 8 బ్యాక్ ఆల్సో, రైట్? సో ఎనీ డౌట్స్? No question, right? Everything fine? Understood, Evil? Okay. So we do that one. Much pain. I think you are there in the morning class, no? You people are there in the morning sessions, right? Okay. Maybe tomorrow and for 3 or 4 days, another sir, Kiran, his name is also Kiran. He will come and teach averages and number system. So you go through that one, and next Monday I'll be here. That means on 11th we can take the class. This is today is 4th, no? 3rd. So 1 week gap. Then 11th I will come again. Right? See you then. Bye.